Hi Josie fam, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. Thank you so much for coming back. So in this video I'm going to share with you a quick brow tutorial under 5 minutes, and I'm going to be using the Girl Boss by Laura and Loretta Boss brow pencil in dark brown. So far, I'm going to start by using the spoolie end of the pencil to brush my brow hairs, and using light strokes I'm going to draw the outline of the brow. So far, as you can see, I have more brow hairs at the beginning of my brow, and so I'm going to build up the product on the tail of my brow so that it will have a nice even flow. As you can see, I'm concentrating the pencil on the tail of my brow, and I'm going to finally brush through the brows once again and see how the outcome is. And so far, this is what I have, and I'm going to repeat that on the other side of my brow. So far, as you can see, my brows are thin here. I have other brow videos which I'm going to link in the description box, and so sometimes I allow my brow hairs to grow and to give my brows that bold brow look, but here I groomed them quite thin, and so if you have thin brows, this tutorial is for you. So after drawing and filling in the brows, I'm going to use this Colorbox CB18 Pro brush, and taking the flat side, I'm going to take some of that concealer, and I took a yellowish base concealer, and I'm going to use thin strokes to sort of use that concealer to clean out the brow or define the brow. And I'm going to do this for the lower part of the brow and the upper part of the brow, and this will make the brows pop. So far, after using the flat side to apply the concealer, I'm going to use the round side of that brush to blend it out. So I used a yellow concealer or a lighter shade of concealer just to highlight the lower part of the brow, and so I'm not really going in for that extreme highlight, and so I use the concealer that will blend in well with my skin. If you are going for a more highlighted look, you can use a lighter shade of concealer to achieve that. So far, for the upper part of the brow, you need a concealer that is your skin shade, or you have to blend it out really well if you use a lighter shade of concealer. And so here I'm using my beauty blender to blend in well, and I would advise that if you do that, it's best to do your brows before your foundation and powder. And so because the beauty blender is quite thick, I feel I cleaned up some of that pencil I initially did, so I'm going in again with that pencil to sort of redo the upper part of the brow. So far, after this step, you can go in with your brow gel or any other brow products just to tame the natural hairs or just to lighten the beginning of the brow. It's actually your choice, and you can do whatever you want with it. And so that's it for this video, fam. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and stay tuned for more. Bye.